Hi guys and girls, happy you are here with me. During this moment, 195 divided by 195, which equals 1, and 195 divided by 195 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 195 divided by 195 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 195 divided by 195, and we can write this part as 1 over 195 divided by 195. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 195 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 195, which equals 1 over 38,025. And this is our final answer for this problem. Make sure to join the fun, like and subscribe.